right, so you have a brand new deck and you want to connect with it. I have this cute little Rider-Waite Radiant deck. It comes in a tin, which is kind of cool, and it's nice and small for my teeny little hands. And the thing is with this one, it actually didn't come in cellophane. Often you'll get it in a box and they'll be wrapped in cellophane. I haven't played with them at all. So once you get your deck, sit with it and just kind of tune into the energy of it. And you might feel like you need to clear the deck. It's been in a warehouse. Other people might have handled it in the store. And if you're really sensitive to energy, I recommend just clearing it, and you can do that by saging or smudging it if you can't have that kind of smoke around you. Another thing you can do is use sound vibration, and I've got my little bell here. My intention is that I'm clearing the vibrational energy of it. I have a white candle lit, which helps to raise the vibration of the energy around us. Often they'll come with a little booklet, tells you about the deck if it's an Indy deck, and they have why they created it and how to work with their deck and that sort of thing. You can look at that or not, it's up to you. Ultimately, you're going to make this deck your own. It's important for you to just trust yourself and your own intuition. Every tarot deck comes in order. It's kind of cool for those of us that have a bit of OCD in us that everything is in order. Ooh, and I like this. It has the actual number instead of Roman numerals. I have to really reach back into my elementary school days to sometimes figure out the Roman numerals. Oh, it's interesting how they're backwards. I guess we're supposed to open it this way. Little stars on it. All right, so I'm just tuning into the energy of this deck. And I want to program it to be a deck that brings inspiration. It's a deck I'm mostly going to use if I'm out. I can pop this in my purse. It's not going to take up a lot of room. So it's going to be a deck that's there to just kind of support bringing clarity to other decks as well. So we're going to go with that. I also like to knock on the deck to clear it. I also have some other little tools that I like to use. Selenite is a really gentle crystal that you can use to clear the energy, clear yourself, clear the space around you. It doesn't have to be a selenite ruler like this. Anything works. The key ingredient is your intention on how you're using it. I've also got some crystals. I brought my little whimsical mushroom-shaped crystals. I've got some howlite, red jasper, and some green jasper. I just wanted something that brought in gentle, grounded energy in a little whimsical form. I think these are just the cutest little things. And I also want this deck, like I said, to bring in inspiration. And I love these. Pink opal to me feels like very gentle, soft, compassionate energy. And I think there might be room in the tin to slip one of these in here as just a reminder to bring that energy in. If you're new to tarot, I almost recommend that you don't just start shuffling. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate all of the major arcana from the minor. That's the minor. You can look through them one at a time just to put your energy into them and introduce yourself. Some people just like, hey, I'm just going to shuffle and go for it. And I love that too. Sometimes I'll just do that with a deck. So, oh, looks like I got to go through this and put some clothes on these people. I don't want to get dinged by social media. Just looking through the deck to really start connecting with the images, trying to not show the naked people. We're already back to the Fool. Look at that. We've already done a Fool's journey with this deck. You could even, since these are already in their own suit, you can work with one suit at a time. Check out my videos that go through each of the suits by themselves, as well as each of the court cards based on what the suits are, to give you a better understanding of how to use your tarot cards. And I'll also pop in the description my tarot cheat sheet. It's a free download for you to get. It helps you start to understand tarot in a way that gives you a little bit of structure, but it also allows you to start using your own intuition with the cards. I usually like the Indy decks that have nicer imagery, but at the same time, there's something about the traditional images that can really help you understand the basic meanings And as you know, I'm not about memorizing the cards. There are basic symbolism to the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. That's more helpful for you in learning tarot if you're fairly new to it. Thank you for watching. What's your favorite deck? Take care. Peace.